Welcome back. Sorry that it took so long to make a video. I didn't have a lot of free time, but I'll make it up to you in this video. So today I have a combination lock that has 6 levers that actually do things. One of them doesn't really do anything. 5. So I wrote down which ones do it. 6, 3, 4, 1, 2, 7. Okay. So 6, 3, 4, 2, 1, 7. Oh, oops. Forgot to put the stone in. That stone is crucial to it. That's another problem, but don't worry. Piston and stone. So 6, 3, 4, 1, 2, 7. 6, 3, 4, 1, 2, 7. See? And it opens the door. If you do it in any other order, it won't work. So, yeah. I know it looks really complicated, but I'll spend a few minutes flying around here so that you can copy it. Feel free to pause if you need to. Alright, so even though that was a really complicated machine, that's the end of the video. So, see you next time. Next time I'll be making a list of all the things that happened in 1.11, which you can get by enabling screenshots. Goodbye!